This video walks you through how to customize invoice templates in Wave. Begin by signing into your Wave account. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click your business name. This opens the account menu where you can access settings connected to that business. From the menu, select Settings to continue. On the Settings page, look for the section labeled Sales and Payments. Under that section, click Invoices and Estimates. This area contains the options that control how your invoices and estimates appear when they are created and sent, so this is where the template and default content can be updated. Start with the logo settings. You will see the option to upload a logo if one is not already in place, or change the existing logo if you want to replace it. Select the image file you want to use from your device, then confirm the upload if prompted. After the logo is in place, choose whether you want that logo to appear on invoices. If you prefer a cleaner layout without branding at the top, you can leave it hidden. If you want your business branding visible to clients, make sure the display option is turned on. Next, customize the accent color. This color is used in parts of the invoice design, so choose the one that matches the look you want for your documents. Depending on your setup, you may be able to select from preset colors or enter a custom choice. Make sure the color you choose works well with your logo and keeps the invoice readable. After that, select the invoice template you want to use. Wave provides three template styles: contemporary, modern, and classic. Click through the available options and choose the layout that best fits the appearance you want for your invoices. This selection affects the visual structure of the document, so it is worth checking that the design matches your preferred presentation. Then move to the Invoice Defaults section. Here you can update the standard details that appear each time you create a new invoice. Set your preferred payment terms so invoices use the timing you want by default. Update the title if you want something different from the standard label. Add or revise the subheading to include extra context near the top of the invoice. Edit the footer if you want a closing line or business information to appear at the bottom. You can also customize the notes or terms field with the wording you want included on future invoices. Review each field carefully so the default text reflects what you want clients to see every time. When all of your customizations are in place, click Save All Changes to apply them. If you leave the page before saving, your updates may not be kept. Your Wave invoice template and invoice defaults are now customized and saved.